Alright, space enthusiasts, stop scrolling and watch this. Ever wondered what types of satellites are orbiting above us right now? Well, let's dive into the cosmic ocean and discover the fascinating world of satellites. First up, we have communication satellites. These are the unsung heroes of our modern world, enabling your phone calls, internet, and television signals to zip around the globe. Positioned in geostationary orbits, they hover over the same spot on Earth, making sure your streaming binge never skips a beat. Next, let's talk about weather satellites. If you've ever checked the forecast or tracked a hurricane, you can thank these satellites. They orbit the Earth, capturing detailed images and data to help meteorologists predict weather patterns and natural disasters. With their polar orbits, they get a full view of our planet, ensuring we stay ahead of Mother Nature's mood swings. Now, on to navigation satellites. Ever use GPS to find your way? These satellites are part of constellations like the well-known GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo systems. They provide precise location and timing information, guiding everything from your car to rescue operations. Without them, we'd literally be lost. Then, we have Earth observation satellites. These are like the planet's personal paparazzi, snapping high-resolution photos and collecting data on the environment. They help monitor deforestation, track ice caps, and even assist in disaster response. Thanks to them, we gain invaluable insights into our ever-changing world. Let's not forget scientific satellites. These cosmic explorers are the reason we know so much about space. They study everything from the sun's behavior to cosmic microwave background radiation, unveiling the mysteries of the universe. Instruments like the Hubble Space Telescope have given us mind-blowing images of distant galaxies, feeding our curiosity about what lies beyond. Lastly, we have military satellites. These are the stealthy guardians of national security. They perform a variety of tasks, including reconnaissance, communication, and navigation for armed forces. Though shrouded in secrecy, their role in global security is indispensable. Isn't it amazing how these different satellites work tirelessly to make our lives better and expand our understanding of the universe? So next time you look up at the night sky, remember the incredible technology orbiting our planet. Thanks for joining me on this cosmic journey. Subscribe to our Universal Universe channel for daily cosmic adventures, and don't forget to share and like the video. Until next time, keep looking up.